If this is gonna take 30 minutes, I gotta go empty my bladder right now. I gotta pee.
What's up, Gabe?
My God, Mario. I'm just
What
about
just happened, bro?
as warmed up as I can possibly be. And I'm over here trying to go rest, get a sip of water, and Daniel comes over to me and he's like, I know what time it is. Skate IQ time. I'm like, dude, I suck.
So we're finally gonna find out how smart you are.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna see if you're actually a poser or not.
Exactly.
And I don't think you're a poser, by the way. I'm gonna keep track of the tricks for you guys.
Which is gonna be a whopping 12.
No. I'm going for 120.
Oh!
I believe in you, bro. I believe in you. I believe in you, Gabe.
All right.
I really do have a lot of feelings for you. not in that kind of way, but like in a warm friendship kind of way, okay?
In a BBT
in a
kind of way.
BBT kind of way.
Oh, okay.
All right, don't get the wrong idea, guys. I'm married with myself.
How does it work? Do I just go?
You just hop on your board and start landing tricks. And I will set the timer for this guy right here. Half an hour.
Yep.
Okay, let's just bang this video.
Should we just do it, Daniel?
Let's just go for it.
Okay, all right.
Start your timer.
Set a timer.
Oh, okay. Let's set the timer for this good guy right here called Gabe. Oh, wait, that's a stopwatch.
Mario!
Timer for 30 minutes. Hold up.
I'm nervous.
Oh, it's not 30 hours.
Mario!
Hold up, bro.
We're in a time crunch
I
here.
know. I'm sorry. All right, let's go. Let's start. Ollie. Frontside 180. Backside 180. Fakey Ollie. Okay, let's start. Fakey frontside 180. Fakey backside. Shove it. Fakey shove. Nollie shove, I mean. Nollie shove the other way. Nollie 3 shove. Backside. Fakey 3 shove. Whoa. Gabe, you still have 29 minutes. Okay. Switch front shove. Fakey big spin. Ooh, his legs are tired. Fakey frontside. Or wait, no, that's a nollie. Front shove. Kick flip. Heel flip. Keep going, Gabe. Tray flip. Whoa, that's a nice tray bomb. Shove it, rewind. Whoa, nice fakey 3 shove. Fakey flip. Whoa, bolt. Fakey heel flip. Fakey tray flip in a row. Who is this guy? Wow, Gabe. I'm proud of you, man. Switch, shove it. Whoa, a half gap. A full gap, I mean. And a fakey frontside 360 ollie. Half gap flip. A backside flip. Whoa, so nice. He still has time. Oh, what a nice fakey big flip. Whoa, even better than the previous one. Whoa, that was actually really, really nice. Whoa, what? Backside big spin. Or how Aaron would call it, a backside slider. Fakey varial flip. Whoa, did he just do that nollie? Oh, a nollie frontside 180, nice. Oh, he looks tired. Well, basically Gabe is wondering how Aaron did this. He doesn't have any breath left in him.
Oh my God.
But I know this is gonna be good for him. This is a good stamina exercise. Whoa, I'm getting trendy here. Whoa, a half gap flip to perfection. A double flip. Whoa, so good. All right, part 2. We're coming back later. He has 15 minutes left. That's the timer. And we're coming back. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're back for round 2, and Gabe is gonna continue where we left off. 15 minutes and 21 seconds left for the timer to, run out.
I had to pick up my boss from the airport.
True, and now we're back. 15 minutes left with 21 seconds.
21. I know, it's still a lot of time.
That's half the time, basically.
I'm gonna kind of chill out. I'm gonna focus on the tricks.
Take your time.
In the 15 minutes I went, it was hell. Now that I know what to do, I think I'm better equipped for this challenge, and hopefully I get more than 100 points, but probably not.
He can do it. He is already at 100. Whoa, a nollie big spin. A nollie big spin the other way. A half gap double flip. Wow, that was incredible. A backside heel flip, beautiful. What is he going for? A big flip. That was saucy, very nice, Gabe. You popped that well. Ooh, a frontside flip. This guy is on fire. A fakey double flip, and he's getting those points. Oh my God. We have 6 minutes and 21 seconds left.
How much?
6 minutes and 15 seconds left. Beautiful. He landed that fakey bigger flip into perfection, and he did a trick that I've never seen him do before. Whoa, that's a lot of points right there, 3 points. Whoa, that was beautiful and steezy. Very, very oozy. A double heel flip. Whoa, I will count that. All right, so what do you guys think that Gabe's skate IQ will be? Leave it in the comments down below. Whoa, and he just landed that. How many points is that? Like 500? You're literally on fire. I can see the smoke. Whoa, that guy just went really fast and he committed. Whoa, that actually just happened. You got 52 seconds left, Gabe. What is he gonna do? Find out in the next 2 seconds. Okay, you still got 32 seconds. Come on, Gabe. Do a bubble flip. You got 12 seconds. Hurry up, boy. 3, 2, 1. The time ran out. This trick doesn't count. Sorry. It didn't count. I'm sorry, but it did not. No, it didn't.
I was rolling when it was going.
You're negative 10 seconds off. I'm sorry, but that trick does not count. That was a beautiful triple flip, but no thanks.
That counts. Shut up.
So you will put on the title the real skate IQ and the fake skate IQ, okay?
No.
No, I'm sorry, Gabe.
Daniel, that counts.
No, the time was even off.
I said when I was rolling.
Let's be honest. Rules are the rules. We're here to make things clear. We're following the rules throughout the whole thing. That's not fair to the other competitors.
You have no power here.
Well,
you know who has the power?
Well, the footage is
editor.
there. The footage is there. And I'll make sure to go on my 100 accounts and comment the real skate IQ.
Dude. Can I be real though? That second half was so much better than the first half.
I am really proud of you, man.
Dude.
I just want to give you a handshake and tell you that you won nothing today, but you did
not win
great.
anything, but I was really upset with my performance in the first half, and then I had to go to the airport, pick up my boss, and then I was actually very happy with my second half performance.
Yeah, that was you. You brailled it.
Yeah, I think I went in that entire video and only did a total of 3 nollie tricks and like 2 switch tricks, and that is a personal achievement in its own.
I really wanted to see a nollie flip, but you know what? That's for a different day.
But you have to challenge someone.
I have to challenge someone. Dang. Okay, so if I don't challenge someone, does that mean the streak ends if they can't come for a while, or can we still just make a video of someone else? So my challenge is Doug Desautel's. I'm challenging Doug to come to the Braille house in a few weeks and do a skate IQ video. When he beats my score, I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna give him a ginormous luck of the gap hug. Okay, Mario, you can do one too. I request 2 people, Mario and Doug.
Fine. I won't do one. I won't do one. It's okay.
All right, well, that was really hard.
That was really cool, Gabe. I am really proud of you. You pop your tricks really nice.
Thank you.
Landed balls.
Thank you.
Which is good.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And go on social media and comment at MarioSB95 and at Doug Desautel's and get them to come here and do a skate IQ, because you're never here. No, I'm just kidding. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Comment below what you thought. of this video, and we will see you
Follow this
next
beautiful
time.
filmer on Instagram at Daniel Lee Parry. Whoa, that was sick. Well, I think I was funnier on the second half than the first half, which is good because the commentary got better.